This vital sign is all about efficiency and productivity. So some of the symptoms you might see is that you're doing things in a longer way or a more difficult way when there are easier ways to do it. Things like copying and paste from the edit bar, or moving windows forward and back to change jobs, minimizing and maximizing pages, searching for your applications in the applications folder, or forgetting your password. Keyboard shortcuts are an effective way to minimize the amount of time you're going up and down from the top menu bar. Check out some of these Mac OS X shortcuts. You can quickly find any application that's loaded onto your MacBook from the Launchpad. From the bottom of the dock, look for the little rocket and then scroll across each page to see any of the apps that you have. One of the most efficient tricks is to create multiple desktops. In this way, you have more than one space to work in different apps and for different purposes. To do that, you do a 4 or 3 finger swipe upwards on your trackpad. To add a new desktop, simply click the plus button. You can add as many as you like. From there, you can rearrange them and put them in the order that works best for you. You can also delete them using the little X. Using a 3 or 4 finger swipe sideways, left or right, will allow you then to change between the different desktops, which makes it easy to switch between different applications. A 3 or 4 finger swipe upwards will reveal any of the windows that you have open on each of the desktops, and you can rearrange them from this view. Knowing some of your trackpad's extra gestures will help you become more efficient and productive when using your MacBook. Here's some of the best ones. You can have a look at them at any time by clicking on System Preferences and selecting Trackpad. A trick you might use quite often is taking a screenshot. There are 2 different ways to do this. One way takes a screenshot of the whole screen, and the other way takes a selection of the screen. To take a screenshot of the whole screen, hold down Command and Shift and then click 3. To take a screenshot of just part of the screen, hold down Command and Shift and press 4, then drag a box around the part you'd like. The files will be located on your desktop. You can record everything that's happening on your screen by a screencast. To do this, you use QuickTime Player, and at the top of the menu, click File and New Screen Recording. You have the option of choosing a microphone by clicking the little arrow next to the record button. Once you press record, you'll have 2 options: record the full screen or record part of a screen. To end the recording, you click the stop button in the menu bar. To start recording the full screen, just click anywhere on the screen. Once you end the recording, you'll see a player of the recording you just made. To start recording part of a screen, once you've pressed the record button, drag a box around the part you'd like to record. Then press Start Recording. Airplay lets you display your Mac screen up onto another screen, such as a TV. Just choose the TV from the Airplay menu. Airdrop is a handy feature that lets you move files from one MacBook to another person's MacBook with drag and drop functionality. Once you've opened up the Airdrop folder from your Finder, all you need to do is select a file and drag it onto the person's icon representing their MacBook. Once you let go, they'll receive an accept warning and the file will transfer. you'll find those files in the Downloads folder. From time to time you may forget a password to a website or other login. To find your MacBook passwords, look in your keychain. To access this, click on the Launchpad, then go to Other and choose Keychain Access. When it opens, you'll see a list of logins and passwords that are stored on your MacBook. Double-clicking one of them will allow you to enter your MacBook's master password to reveal the password for that login. You can also check passwords that are saved in your browsers, such as Safari. In Safari, click Safari and Preferences, then click Passwords. Enter your computer's master password to reveal any logins and passwords saved in Safari. In Chrome, choose Chrome, Preferences, scroll all the way down to Advanced, and then all the way down to Manage Passwords. Click any of the passwords to reveal your master password prompt and see the password that you're looking for.